Welcome back to World Journey Family. I'm Oliver, and I'm going to do some more NextLevel Homeschool and science game, but this time it's not genetics, it is physics. And my first video of the year for physics will be physics of football. What degree angle should I throw it at to make it go the furthest? My hypothesis is if the ball is thrown at a 45-degree angle with the same velocity that all your other throws are thrown with, it will travel further than the ball at any other angle with that same exact velocity and power. Okay, so here are my variables for this experiment. We're going to start off with the independent variables. Angle, so the angle the ball is thrown at, and then the wind. Well, I don't have much of wind, and it should have stayed the same about the same time. But you know that can be an independent variable. Dependent variable, I only have one of them, and that is distance the ball is at, because the distance depends on the angle. Okay, now controlled variables. Same football. Like, I'm using the same exact football. Like, there's not going to be a difference between the football. Arm strength. Same person throwing as hard as they can. Yeah, so I threw it as hard as I can every single time, and it was me throwing. Same location. So we stayed at the same park. I threw it from the exact same spot, and none of them went the same exact distance. Hello, everybody. We are going to start off with a 90-degree angle. Well, between 65 and 90 degrees. I could not throw it straight up. So we're going to try 65 to 90 degree angle. Okay, let's see how far this goes. It landed right here. Okay, so now I'm going to try to do approximately a 180. This is where my first one landed at 90 degrees, but now I'm going to try a 180 degree angle. Okay, I see where it landed. Right. Moment of truth. Will my hypothesis be proven correct? I think it probably will, but that 180 is hard to beat, so I'm going to try about 45 degrees. That was way far. Touchdown, my hypothesis is correct, and I have proven that 45-degree angle gets it the furthest. Because if you throw it straight up, it's not going out far enough. And if you throw it like this, just straight, it's closer to the ground than if you're throwing it like this, it goes far out and it's high. So I feel like if we did this test a couple more times, I feel like it should have the same result. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. As always, happy travels, and happy physics, and happy football!